Hey traders, welcome back to the journey. This is my first trade on my 50 trade challenge, where I'm building discipline and one trade at a time. Today I'll be breaking down my first trade on EURCAD, taking on the 15-minute time frame. Let's dive into it. Here is the 15-minute time frame on EURCAD. I spotted a setup on EURCAD using the breaker and retest on key level strategy. The overall trend on H1 was a uptrend, which was one confirmation. I risked 30% on this trade with a risk reward ratio of 1 to 1.1. Here is my entry line, this white line here. My stop loss was placed at this point, this red line, and my TP was at this green line. One cool thing about the trade was that I didn't really monitor the charts, although the trade hit my stop loss quickly, but I didn't really monitor the charts. Unlike before, where we open a trade, I had to wait till the trend move up, move down. I had to be monitoring the chart throughout the trade and end up taking irregular decision, which ended me up blowing my accounts. So that's one cool thing I love about this. So this is a process of being disciplined when I open a trade. So that's one cool thing I take from this trade. This trade ended in a loss. Emotionally, I was kind of anxious. I would have wanted a win because it's my first trade and that would have boosted the momentum of my journey. But unfortunately, we ended in a loss. But the win here is that I didn't panic. I didn't monitor the screen. I didn't close out the trade while it was on loss. I stuck to the plan, and that's growth and discipline. The market didn't reward me for now, but I reward myself by showing up my intention, sticking with a good plan, following my setup. Hopefully next year we'll get a win. Currently our balance is $7. We are down 30% from our initial capital of $10. So our current balance is $7. Here is it. Hopefully we'll get a bounce back from the next trade. So what I learned from this trade, I think one of my lessons was my entry. I didn't really enter at a good candlestick. I think the candlestick I entered was here, this candlestick here, which looked like a hanging man. If I had waited for a more bullish candle, I think that would have made it trade to work out more. I think one of my lessons I learned was the candlestick wasn't that giving a bullish candlestick. Currently now the price is pushing up. So the trade might possibly work out, but I'm not taking this trade again. I'll wait for a setup on another market, so I'm not taking this trade again. So that's 150 trade. Follow along as I post each trade, the win, the loss, and go with full transparency. Drop a comment if you ever struggle with emotion during your trading, and comment below if you as well start your trading journey. I'll see you in the next trade.